Hello! Here's how you can kill some of your invasive non-native honeysuckle. This is probably Bell's honeysuckle. We're in Washburn on city land in Bayfield County, Wisconsin. We have permission to work here. There's a lot of snow. It is below freezing right now, but this treatment works even during the winter. Just be sure that you know that you are killing the non-native honeysuckle. The multi-stems from the base, the sturdy bark, are some good tips. Also, the brown and hollow pith is a good way, but let's focus on how to get rid of the honeysuckle. We are using a folding pocket saw and some concentrate herbicide in a dropper bottle. This is Rodeo. It's about 50% glyphosate. And cutting it down, leaving a flat surface. Trying to get as close as you can. This is a pretty thick one there. So I'm going to have to go a little higher here. And then take the herbicide and just put it around the cambium, around the edge. It's not going to go anywhere. It'll soak into the stem. Even if it freezes, it'll remain active and keep it from resprouting, getting down to the roots. One might already be dead. A little cambium. That's going to be dead. No, this one there. That's it.